So basically, our business, we encapsulate a turnkey project solution under one roof. We have executed more than 400 projects, most of these being pharmaceutical clean rooms. And as you see over here, in-house capabilities belong with HVAC, plumbing, piping, electrical, and BMS. Within our own state of Maharashtra, we also undertake civil as well as PEB contracting to provide greenfield turnkey solutions for our customers. And as you see here, part of these scopes also include the civil part, but typically on the MEP side, we handle BMS, HVAC for clean rooms, and the clean room partitioning, clean room equipment, and process equipments that we do. The list continues from not just on MEP infra, like the condensing units or the HVAC, but to fire alarm systems, epoxy flooring, laboratories, we do turnkey. That includes fume hoods, furnitures, and gas piping, cold room systems, cold room partitions, cold room panels, walk-in cold rooms. And then on the office side, because obviously for every side there will be some office scope required. And there we have a very niche premium quality office partitions under the name of Dyna Interiors that we provide. What we have done in the past, we have done various type of projects like the vaccine production areas. We have executed about half a dozen projects for animal vaccine, for human vaccine, for tetanus, and for animal vaccines like your fowl pox. And we have done the high side as well as the low side projects, wherein we undertake fermentation systems and also the infrastructure required for this. As far as the vaccine production facilities are concerned, the largest that we have done is 52 crore, or rather about about 7 million US dollar project that we have executed under one roof. And that was from civil, electrical, HVAC, plumbing, piping, BMS, and clean room systems. This is the site that we were talking about. This is the 7.5 million US dollar project that we've done. This is for animal vaccine project here in India. Here are some pictures of our scope of the service floor, where you can see air handling units, hot and cold piping, and on the right side, some clean room pictures of pass boxes, the walkable false ceiling, where you can see the duct tape distribution. And on the right hand side, you can see process equipments for this production facility. So aseptic filling, egg-based production plants. So all these are where the advantage of Dyna is that we are not just a contracting organization, but it is a group where we have industry skill sets from vaccine microbiologists now working for us, people who specialize in tablet capsules working for us. So when we speak to our customers, we are in a position to not just look at it from the engineering point of view, but also from process and throughput point of view. And that is where we give you the biggest advantage for your line. Then the other wing that we do is the hospital clean room. In fact, we are happy. We were part of this COVID fight against COVID. And in the past 8 to 9 months, even at the peak of lockdown, we were part of at least 6 projects where we could give different COVID-related solutions associated with indoor air quality. Specific is a COVID ward hospital for Indian Railways. We did for 2 different locations in Mumbai. And then we have done a COVID testing laboratory as per BSL 3 in Pune itself. And we are now under construction of a project in again in Pune for COVID. So these are some of the pictures of the hospital ward for COVID for Indian Railways that you can see over here. So we have partition paneling systems, electrical systems, gas piping done over here, and HVAC. So this was our scope that we have undertaken during the peak of COVID and executed within a record time of 10 days. Air showers, again manufactured by us for entry exit systems. Um, the third division is the laboratories that we spoke about. And so this is a project that we have done for a multinational, and this was about 1 million US dollar worth of project that we executed just about in August 2020. And so here the laboratory furniture part. So this is again was a turnkey project that we are looking at, but most of the scopes that you are looking at are done by Dyna in-house. So these are again some of the pictures. On the right hand side, you could see the doors that we have, and these are the kind of finishes that we do. Corridors, full glass panel doors, R&D laboratories again. So brownfield projects are something which are typical, and that's what we offer for the African continent, where we can, under a single roof, we can do HVAC, electrical, clean room partitioning, view panels, and the clean room equipment part of our story. Here you can see the epoxy flooring in under execution on the right hand side, and the laminar flow, ceiling suspended laminar flow, just next to uh, the DHS that is provided over there. Then product like a powder dispensing booth on the left hand side, and on the right hand side again you could see the aseptic filling trays. Some of the pictures for automobile assembly line that we have done in the past that we do. And India is a major automobile hub, and this is where again we have our presence. So typically, because we are driven majorly by clean room applications, so obviously we are a leading player for all these industries beyond pharma as well. So these are some of the other pictures of this site that we've recently conducted for automobile clean room. And on the ceiling, you could see the range of lighting arrangements and the filters, exposed risers over here, partition panels, and again, epoxy flooring is for you to see and judge. Food industry, we have again been part of one of the largest food industry projects in the state of Punjab, and some of the project pictures that we have attached over here. And so these are what we can provide to the customer. And again, we wish to highlight the capability that we are not just an engineering contractor, but we walk in with specific application knowledge, which can only add to the value add once we are part of your projects. And so again, over here for food industry, we have the IPQC, the quality check QA/QC laboratory on the left-hand side, and some of the panels that we have given. Third is electronics. We've been fortunate enough to be part of the Make in India part, where we have a lot of these mobile assemblies units now coming over to India. And we have already been part of 3 large mobile assembly clean rooms in India. These are some of the pictures of those projects that you see over here, which were conducted by us. So in all, this is our provision that we provide. As an organization, I request you to please visit our e-stall on this Expo, Pharma Expo, and Also, please do visit our website at dynafilters.com, wherein you can, under one roof, you can find the best HEPA filters. We are the largest HEPA filter manufacturing companies in the country. Then the clean room equipment from dispensing booths, sampling booths, pass boxes, and LAFs to partition paneling, sealing systems, puff and rock wool insulated. And the last is, of course, the turnkey projects, which I have taken you through. Uh, we have a state-of-the-art manufacturing capability here in India, and I repeat, we are part of all large clean room projects that we execute. I thank you once again for participating and being a part of this show. And you're welcome. We would like to work with you if opportunity provided. Thank you very much.